Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's just first open the settings application and after that tap on the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher and after that we can see here all the available networks. Here we have also one saved previously network, so we'll have just access to the password of this network. So let's just use, for example, this one. Just here we should enter the password. Just to see the password, you should click here on this eyes icon, for example, to hide out some mistakes. So I'll just do it out of screen. After that, just tap here on the right upper corner on this. Okay, I can, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want, we can switch them then between these two networks. That's just not a problem. And if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, just click here once again on the switcher. Also, we can use the Wi-Fi assistant and you can turn on the switcher to auto connect to the best network. For example, now we have two saved networks, and for example, when the first network will have just the slow connection, your device will use the second one, for example. Just to turn off, click on the switcher once again, and that's it. Also, if you wanna open the notification panel right here, just you can use also the Wi-Fi feature. Just click once on the Wi-Fi icon to activate the Wi-Fi. If you want to launch the settings, hold for a while the Wi-Fi icon, and after that, if you want to turn it off, just click here once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.